Hanover Messe 2022 continues. Hello again, I'm Michael Ainsworth. Private networks are helping bring the promise of Industry 4.0 to life. Stephan is here to tell us more about that. Good to have you with us.
Thank you, and thank you for interviewing me. I'm always happy to talk about this. If you look at private networks, and especially our role into it, is that we bring this mission or business critical connectivity together with high performance compute, and that helps industries to really take a next step in their journey to digitize and automate.
And private networks are just one part of a bigger puzzle.
Exactly, that's what I said. So we bring in the business connectivity, but what are you going to do with all these connected objects, right? So you collect data, maybe you get positioning, other attributes, so you need to process that somewhere, and that's why it's so important that we bundle private wireless with high performance compute on the edge to crunch all the collected data that we gather through these wireless connections.
And this is a kind of technology that is applicable to a whole host of different industries, not just manufacturing, just not say power utilities, that sort of thing.
Oh, absolutely. I think, and this is the beauty for us as Nokia to be in this business, because you have these common building blocks that make sense everywhere. And that, of course, allows us to have a good addressable market and to deeply invest in becoming the best in these type of solutions.
So tell us about MXIE and how it plays a role in this.
Yeah, so MXIE is our edge compute platform. And it's the first, we released the product for the first time last year. It got good traction, and it's the product that kind of realizes our vision of putting stuff together. So MXIE runs our own applications to run the private wireless, run the core functions and so on. And all the lifecycle management tools that we have developed for that are also perfectly suited to run industrial applications, because you have the edge compute there, we have the team supporting it, you can connect real time into it, so everybody that has applications can reuse this platform to put their own stuff. So we get a lot of economic gains by putting all of these things together in the edge.
We get more than economic gains too, we have an opportunity to innovate as a result.
Oh, absolutely. And not just innovate, but do it at a much faster pace. Right? So we bring this whole lifecycle management change, so you can put new software there every week or every day. And if you don't like it or it doesn't work perfect, you innovate again. And you keep going and going and going. So that's the beauty of having this MXIE, which is in essence edge compute as a service, at your fingertips, and use it whenever you want it.
That's an important point. You want to start off by experimenting with small, and then you go big.
Absolutely, and the platform is very scalable. So it's a compute platform which you can buy it at the size you want, but later on you can cluster and you add more compute. And there's a kind of a build as you grow model that we use there.
Stephan, thank you so much for your time and insight.
Well, thank you. Always happy to talk to you.
We're in Germany at Hanover Messe 2022. I'm Michael Ainsworth.